Hi, I'm Laura Moore, your IT trainer, and in this video I'm going to be sharing my top 5 tips for making the most out of your smart sessions.
So one of the key inbuilt features of the OmniJoin Smart Room is the ability to record the meeting. Now you don't have to record the meeting in full, you can select when you would like to start. On the screen I have loaded some of the course criteria. I've selected the record meeting button and I've chosen where I would like the recording to be saved. As soon as you hit record, it will start recording everything that is happening on your screen. You can choose when to select stop, and as soon as you have, that recording will save to the folder you have selected. Now in this instance I have saved the recording to my desktop, and there you can see that the recording has been saved as a video file. You can check that once you have finished, and as long as you're happy with it, you can upload it to your ePortfolio on Smart Assessor. It's as simple as that. So in this example, I am utilising the whiteboard and I'm inserting a picture which has been saved previously of some terms and definitions for types of management. The learner can select the line from the toolbox and match up the terms with the correct definitions. This will allow you to assess their understanding of these terms. If you choose, you can ask them to sign their signature, write their name in full, and provide the date in order to authenticate the work. At the top of the whiteboard you will see a camera. If you select that, it will take a screenshot of that page and you can paste it into a Word document in order to upload it to Smart Assessor. So another inbuilt feature within the Smart Room is the ability to use the chat room. Now this is not only useful for dealing with audio issues, it's also a good way of using the chat feature to use questions and answers. So as an example, I've got some health and social care criteria. Perhaps a learner of yours needs just to meet a few more criteria points in order to complete a unit. I've copied a criteria and pasted it into the chat box. From there, the learner could give their response. And you can do this multiple times for however many pieces of criteria are outstanding. Once the learner has given the response as required and you're happy with it, you can select the Save button at the top of the chat box and you can choose where you'd like to save it on your computer. It will be saved as a text file. And when I locate that file on my computer, you can see that the name, the date and the time have also been recorded, which is another good way of authenticating that evidence. Okay, so using the whiteboard facility again, I'm going to insert an image of a diagram which is waiting to be labelled. So in this instance, a diagram of a tooth. Using the text icon from the toolbox, the learner can label the various parts of the diagram. Once completed, if you choose, you can ask them to sign their signature, write their full name and include the date to authenticate the evidence. And then select the Save icon at the top of the whiteboard, which again will allow you to choose a destination for that file on your computer. If I locate that file, you can see that it's an image ready to be uploaded to Smart Assessor. Okay, so finally I'm going to share a piece of learner work using the My Computer option. This will display the learner's work on the screen. I'm going to use the paintbrush option from within the toolbox, selecting a colour and changing the transparency so that it becomes a highlighter pen. This will allow me to highlight parts of the text which enable the learner to still be able to read them. Then going to use the text icon to add an annotation. So this may be something which you'd like the learner to improve on. If you wish, you can select the text and change the colour of it so that stands out. You could then go on and highlight further parts of the text. Again, leaving a comment if you wish. Once you've finished writing your comment, you can select the text and move it to a more convenient location. Okay, once you're done with your annotations, you can select the save icon, give the file a title, save it on your computer, and then it will be a PDF file which you can send to the learner and they can refer to it when they are making changes to their own work.
So I hope I've given you some simple ideas which are food for thought. As always, if you would like some further training, please do get in touch. Thank you for watching and good luck!